Horse. Rabbit. Turkey. Cow. Alpaca. Goat. Panda. Sheep. Herbivores, Earth's gentle grazers, hold the quiet balance of life. These creatures, from the colossal elephant to the tiniest insects, are the artists of sustainable ecosystems. Instead of dominance, they choose coexistence with plants, harmonizing in a natural ballet of consumption and renewal. This choice shapes not only landscapes, but the very air we breathe, as their acts of herbivory release vital carbon for the planet's health. Beyond their environmental role, herbivores inspire curiosity in humanity, connecting us with the wonders of the natural world. These are the creatures that teach us about delicacy and moderation, showing how gentleness can be a force more powerful than any other.